Hello, I'm Ranu from Delightful Crafts Handmade, and today I'm going to show you how to make decorative flowers in a square box. Before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook, Delightful Crafts Handmade, and if you like my work, you can share it on your pages. For today, for this project, I will use flowers, butterfly, scissor, glue sticks, glue gun, some paper with vintage design, cabochon, floristry net, a ribbon, and square box with wasses in. I put already the wasses to be easier when I start the video. These are the things you'll need. Let's get started. Enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay crafty. Okay, my dear crafters, this is the final look of our project, Decorative Flowers in a Square Box. I hope you enjoy it. Let's see closer the box and the roses, how lovely and bright they are, and the butterfly. And to look more vintage than it is, I add some paint on the ribbon and on the box. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!